Gotcha. Talking another triple-digit day today. I suppose the good news is the Boise River opens up anew.
This would be day 3 if we hit triple digits. We had 100 yesterday, 101 the day before. Today, forecasting 100.
And I'm still not used to it. I'm just staying indoors.
And unfortunately, the forecast is usually pretty accurate under this type of weather scenario.
Yeah.
And our 4th of July forecast. Here's some good news. A little bit cooler as we look at our fireworks forecast. And by 10 o'clock in Ann Morrison Park, you're looking at 76 degrees, mostly clear skies and warm temperatures. One thing over the next few days as we head towards the weekend, we will see an increase in some of those mountain thunderstorms. And a lot of them will be dry because these will be high base thunderstorms where the base of the thunderstorm is really high. The rain doesn't make it to the ground and falls as virga, but possibly some lightning could, starting some fires. So we'll be watching that very closely over the next few days as we roll on into the holiday weekend. Needless to say, with all the warm temperatures, be careful with those fireworks. It's very dry out there. Slightly cooler for the weekend. There's some of that shower thunderstorm activity creeping up into northern Utah now, and because of that, red flag warning in effect until 10 o'clock tonight because of the possibility of some dry lightning. We might see some of those fire weather watches and warnings and red flag warnings kind of expand over our region as these thunderstorms increase. Here's our future radar, and you'll see the general trend. This is a shorter term computer model that looks at convective or thunderstorm activity. And we have the possibility of some showers or some thunderstorms developing over our east central mountains down here in southern Twin Falls, Waukee County, also in eastern Oregon, kind of dodging the Boise area. Here's the way things stand right now. 66 degrees, winds at 5 miles per hour, humidity at 52%, mountains in the 40s and 50s. Down here in the valley, especially the western end, especially warm, and that will be the case later today. Western end of the valley will be maybe 2 or 3 degrees warmer. 100 degrees for Boise, though. That's 14 degrees above normal. There's a record 105 for this day, June the 29th, almost ready to kick off a new month. Here's the lay of the land. We have a high pressure ridge centered pretty close to the Four Corners area. We're getting a southerly or southwesterly flow, bringing up some especially dry and hot weather. But some relief coming our way as this low pressure system here in the Gulf of Alaska moves into western Canada, and that will break down our high pressure ridge. You can see it right there on our water vapor loop. In the meantime, a very dry flow denoted by the black and the clear. And clouds will be pretty scarce across southwestern Idaho for today. Just a whole lot of heat. Here's our regional forecast. Sunny and hot. Twin Falls high 94. For Sun Valley, scattered rain, isolated thunderstorms. That's something new. And same thing for McCall and Cascade. The possibility of some thunderstorms developing. Over the nearby mountains, you'll kind of see those puffy cumulus clouds develop with the heating of the day. And but most of the day will be pretty much cloud free except towards the latter part when you'll see some of those puffy clouds develop over the mountains. Same pattern for Thursday and Friday. A little bit cooler as we head into the weekend for the 4th, a high of 91 and mostly sunny. That's the Legal Weather.